San Antonio, Texas. The land of brave and free spirits is also home for INDO-MIM Inc., the North America's largest metal injection molding company. Established in 2019, we are one of the most integrated MIM companies in the North American continent. MIM as the core manufacturing technology, we are leaders in precision metal injection molded parts. The MIM process begins with compounding.
Hi, so at INDO-MIM we mix all our feedstock in-house and all our ingredients we procure is all barcoded, it is digitalized and it is integrated to the ERP. So the weighing process and the mixing process, the weighing scale, everything is integrated into the ERP. So there is no chance of any human errors, so that there will be no mix-ups and everything is tracked through the molding.
100% digitization ensures world-class raw material traceability. Custom-made mixing equipment is the largest in the industry. The equipment is fully automated with PLC controls.
Unlike most companies, INDO-MIM can produce large batch quantities of material. This machine in particular can produce up to 250 kg per batch. Large batch quantity means consistency for the molding process.
Large batch mixing ensures consistency of quality over large production batches. Mold shop is fully automated with 2 robots fitted to a single molding machine.
Hi everyone. At INDO-MIM, all of our machines have CNC active loop flow system. It ensures our part quality, consistency every time. As you see, all of our molding machines have 2 robots. Both the robots pick the part and stage as per work instruction.
Now as you can see, the robot is talking to the machine, ensuring good parts are being picked by the robot. If those process controls fails, the robot will reject those parts, thus ensuring high quality parts are delivered to the customer.
At INDO-MIM, we use X-ray inspection to examine molded parts without the need for cutting them. Our X-ray allows us to detect defects down to 4 microns inside and walk through all cross sections of the part. Should we find any such defects, this allows us to consider making any changes in the molding parameters or in the tool design itself.
Fine focus X-ray is used to ensure production quality as well as diagnostic purposes. Custom-built closed-loop debinding system is a fully closed system with almost 0 environmental impact.
Here in debinding, we run the most environmentally safe product. Cycle times vary between 4 to 8 hours depending on part weight. The machinery you see here is amongst the world's largest in the MIM industry.
Our sintering machines are largest in the industry and microprocessor controlled, the furnaces can run 24/7.
Welcome. Here at INDO-MIM, we have some of the world's largest sintering furnaces in the entire MIM industry. Completely operated and maintained by PLC equipment, very minimal operator attention is required. Typical batch sizes range anywhere between 30,000 parts to 300,000 parts per cycle, depending on component size.
All heat treatment are done in-house using the most sophisticated vacuum heat treatment furnace.
Hi. Most of the parts we produce here at INDO-MIM requires heat treatment process, and everything that does require heat treatment is completely done in-house. This is a completely automated vacuum heat treatment furnace, and it has multiple capabilities. We can do hardening, tempering, case hardening and annealing.
Latest state-of-the-art quality control equipment for material testing are used.
At this plant, we're ISO 9001 and 1345 certified. We're also 100% OSHA compliant. As you can see here in the lab, our inspection equipments are digital and automated as well. So here at the plant, all of the data is going to be recorded electronically, and we're going to analyze it through our electronic systems. The engineers here, quality engineers and production engineers, are Six Sigma black belts, and the supervisors are Six Sigma green belts.
Hello, this is our magnetic particle inspection station. We use this to show surface and subsurface light defects on the parts for any ferromagnetic material or any load-bearing component.
Most of the highly impacted components go through MPI inspection. Dimension control carefully monitored through world-class metrology laboratory. Post-sintering, most of the components go through coining and other secondary finishing.
So this is where all the magic happens after heat treatment and sintering. Our department's responsibility is to ensure that the parts are visually and dimensionally sound before we send them to the customer or to our supplier for the finishing process. We have a capacity to do reaming, tapping, and milling to the customer's specifications. And we have a plethora of CNC machines which allow us to achieve those critical tolerances. So some of the parts go through some finishing processes here, such as REM, magnetic deburring, grit blasting, and glass deblasting. Our department follows a very highly automated quality management system which allows us to achieve the perfect balance between quality and quantity.
It's a digital world, so I mean in INDO-MIM, like we try to digitize the whole thing, including the checklist. We have the Go Canvas checklist, which we pretty much use for controlling all the checkpoints, including the process controls. So here are some of the examples of how the process is being controlled using the digital systems.
We offer a complete set of secondary finishing on the parts, including CNC machining on critical dimensions. In-house surface finishing include REM finishing, magnetic deburring, robotic polishing, etc.
INDO-MIM, we offer cosmetic finish on the firearm components. For example, this is the lever arm which goes into a rifle, and these we are polishing with the automated system, and this is how it looks like after the polishing with the robotic buffing machine.
Here at INDO-MIM, we ship just about 1.5 million pieces every month. We have on-time delivery all the time, every time, and at the moment we are at 97% on-time delivery. That's why our customers love to work with us.
Hello. This is the invoice number for the parts that we package. From this barcode, we can trace back all the way to the raw material stages of the part. It is one of the best methods in the industry to get all the information that you need.
Our team here at INDO-MIM Incorporated is a customer-focused, quality-oriented team, the most dedicated team I've ever worked with. They're always willing to learn and go the extra mile to ensure that we produce a superior quality product. We believe this is why, in the 3 years of our production, INDO-MIM Incorporated is the largest MIM component producer in North America.
This is our story. Now, how can we help you